Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In the wake of the devastation left behind by Hurricane Melissa, stories of resilience and unity continue to emerge. One such story comes from students of New Forest High School in Manchester, who are turning pain into purpose. We have the details in this report.
Out of tragedy, a powerful message of hope is rising from the voices of young people determined to make a difference. Students, teachers, administrative staff, and parents at the New Forest High, many of whom were impacted by the hurricane, have come together to write and record an original song aimed at uplifting their community.
This project was sparked by my interest. When I watched the devastation of what Hurricane Melissa did to the Jamaicans living in Black River, Trelawney, and sections of the island, I felt inspired to showcase something that would really motivate these persons who have lost tremendously. And through music, which is one of my biggest assets and talent, I decided to use that as an inspiration to highlight the positive and the impact that I wanted to create.
The initiative is more than just music. It is deeply personal. The lyrics, filled with resilience and unity. They are not only telling their own stories, but also giving a voice to others who are still struggling to recover.
Rebuild Jamaica, this project was not focusing on the infrastructural aspect of the country. It's not about helping somebody to take up their zinc or their bed or their mattress. Rebuild Jamaica is bigger than that. I wanted to unite Jamaica using this song.
The group hopes to take their message even further by using proceeds from the song to support hurricane victims, including their own classmates and families. School officials say the effort highlights the strength and compassion of the students, even in the face of hardship.
Even though I was not impacted physically by it, or I had anything being destroyed, I have so many people around me, my teachers. When I went and looked for those who were devastated, tears came to my eyes. I had to hold them and cry with them. So people were really down. I saw my children who I visited whose houses were damaged. You feel that sadness. And when I heard that the music department is going to put this music out and I came up to listen to it, I was transmitted to a different world in terms of feeling, because the song is such a powerful song in soothing minds and hearts.
As recovery continues, these young voices are proving that even in the darkest moments, hope is still alive.
This makes me feel it's joy. I did several distributions and it's trauma. People are traumatized. They've been sad.
I think this project would help people, especially persons that have been impacted very badly after Melissa, especially students my age. Probably they have lost their homes. Financial problems have been on the rise for them. So I think that this project would uplift their spirit, basically.
The students are encouraging members of the public to support the initiative once the song is officially released. With your Ray of Hope, I'm Yannick Williams.
Ray of